you can catch your monsters like what I did here. Alright guys, let's do it. Okay, so I have Brett. That's a good one. That's a really good one, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. New here. Today we're going to talk about RealGo, the #1 play to earn game right now. In this video, we will talk about how you can find the best monsters or memes that you can raise as a pet. And what I'm talking about here are high CP or high stat memes. Or if you're not aware about stats yet, you can check the information icon near the CP of your meme. White is a basic stat, green is common, blue is uncommon, orange very rare, and red is extremely rare. So you want to look for memes that are already extremely rare in stats because they have high multiplier when you upgrade or level them up. You want to avoid capture memes that are 310 CP or lower. So above 310 CP are actually the ones with probably extremely rare stat. So that's just the concept of high CP or high stat pets. The other pet that I have is a B grade, but it has a very rare stat, which makes it better compared to S grade stats that are probably just rare or lower stat. So this S grade that I have here is not actually a good one to raise, but I just leveled it up. The first and second one I think very decent, and what I want to look for here is an S grade that actually has red stats or probably very rare stats to help me out in this adventure. By the way, if you haven't registered or installed this game yet, I have a special link so you can register an account so you can have a special welcome pack to help you out progress faster. And if you want to know about this game first, you can watch my first video. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So right now guys, I have captured memes, very fresh ones. I have here one that has good focus or extremely rare focus. The other one has overall good stats, good attack, good focus, HP is good as well. But the speed and defense is just not that good or not remarkable. The other one has a good speed, attack, defense, and focus are not really that good. HP is also not that good. The other one that I have has good attack and focus, but the rest of the stats are just okay. And what I'm lacking here, guys, is the one with good defense. And right now, I'm actually running out of energy, also some capturables. So for the sake of this video, we're going to buy a meme that actually has good defense. So you wanna sort this out by clicking on price low to high, the S grade memes. And as far as I can see here, guys, the good one probably, but it's quite expensive already. And this is just for the sake of this video. So I wanna buy this beep so we can fuse it with the rest of our meme. So let's buy it now. 50,000. So now we have 5 memes. 4 of them are fresh and the ones that I have captured. Alright, I think we're ready, guys. Let's go to Forge. And then right here, you want to click on Fuse and select the monsters that you have. So here, high focus, let's add it here. And then here, I have high speed. Let's add this one as well. This one has good stat, attack, and focus. The other one is this one, good attack and focus. Alright. And then we have here this one, high defense, good focus as well. So I think we're good, guys. I'm hoping for the best, and I hope I get at least 2 extremely rare stats as a result of this fusing. You can catch your monsters like what I did here for the 4 memes. The other one, it's just for the sake of the video. Alright guys, let's do it. Okay, so I have Brett as an S grade 1, and boom, guys, That's a good one. That's a really, really good one, guys. I got the focus right here and good defense. So those are two extremely rare stat and good HP as well, good attack and speed. So yeah, I think this is worth it, guys. This is really worth it. And yeah, I think this video is successful. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I was able to help you in this video. I will see you in my next one.